Weightlifting for beginners. Starting out is all about learning technique, building confidence, and establishing consistency. Beginners often experience newbie gains, where progress is rapid if training is structured well. Squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for legs and core. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps for posterior chain and grip. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for chest and triceps. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for shoulders. Pull UPS or lat pull down, 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps for back and biceps. Rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for upper back. Core work, planks or ab exercises for stability. Beginners should train 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on form before increasing weight. Programs like a 12-week full-body routine are widely recommended. Weightlifting for advanced athletes. Advanced lifters already have years of training, so their programs emphasize volume, intensity, and specialization. These athletes often train 5 to 6 days per week, with sessions lasting 90 to 120 minutes. Olympic lifts, snatch and clean and jerk, practice multiple times weekly. Split training, push/pull/legs or upper/lower splits to target specific muscle groups. Accessory lifts, front squats, power cleans, jerks, and deadlift variations to support competition lifts. High volume, 5 to 6 sessions per week, with progressive overload and periodization. Competition prep, advanced programs fine-tune technique and peak performance for meets. Advanced athletes need structured cycles, 8 to 12 weeks, with recovery, nutrition, and injury management built in. Key takeaway: beginners, focus on mastering form, consistency, and full-body strength. Advanced athletes, use specialized, high-volume programs with Olympic lifts, split training, and competition cycles. Both levels benefit from progressive overload, proper recovery, and nutrition. Beginners should start with light to moderate weights that allow 8 to 12 reps with good form, while advanced athletes often lift loads close to or above their body weight in major lifts. Recommended loads for beginners. Start light, typically 5 to 10 pounds, 2 to 5 kilograms for small muscle groups, biceps curls, shoulder raises. Medium range, 10 to 20 pounds, 5 to 10 kilograms, for larger upper body moves, bench press, rows. Lower body, begin with 15 to 30 pounds, 7 to 14 kilograms, or just the barbell, 20 kilograms per 45 pounds, for squats and deadlifts. Rule of thumb: choose a weight that lets you perform 8 to 12 reps with proper form, where the last 2 reps feel challenging but not impossible. Recommended loads for advanced athletes. Advanced lifters are defined as those with 3+ years of consistent training and solid technique. Their loads are much heavier, often based on body weight multiples. Squat. Advanced athletes typically lift 2 times body weight. Bench press, around 1.5 times body weight. Deadlift, often 2.5 times body weight. Olympic lifts, snatch, clean, and jerk progressively trained with high intensity and volume, aiming for personal records. Training involves periodization, planned cycles of heavy and lighter loads, and progressive overload to avoid stagnation. Key takeaway: beginners, start light, focus on form, and progress slowly. 2.5 to 5 pounds increase for upper body, 5 to 10 pounds for lower body. Advanced athletes, train with heavy loads relative to body weight, structured cycles, and specialized lifts. The difference lies not just in the weight, but in experience, technique, and program design.